Hey guys, it's Max, and today, well, where am I? That's a good first question to ask. So yeah, I've switched up my look a little bit, and this is kind of the look I'm going for. Sorry for the radio silence last week. It's been sorting this stuff out, and I'm very excited to show you everything about this. And there are going to be more videos coming kind of in this mini-series sort of type thing where I'm going to be talking about a few elements of making a room the way you want it. The first thing we're going to talk about is just this main whatever this is. So basically it's a sofa, and the whole setup is sort of anchored by this sofa. I don't even know where the sofa is from. I don't really know where it's from, but it's a really nice and cozy sofa. And then just to add a little bit of kind of coziness, sort of warmth, general idea to it, I've added this little blanket into it. I think it's by a company called Jack and Ace or something like that. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. And the whole lighting situation in here is pretty complicated. So right here, and it's off frame and it's very bright. It's sort of a kicker light. It's just a Bones mount reflector on a newer SL60W, and it has like the barn doors on it that can control where the light is going into. So I can control where the light is flooding out to, so it's not just a massive source of light, and I can kind of control it just to give me a little bit of profile here and to separate me sort of a little bit. And then there's another SL60W behind a massive softbox that's right up here in front of me. It's also giving me really nice soft light that is just filling in the entire space. And then one thing that's really fun, one element of lighting that's in this room that's really fun, and I actually already have it pulled up on my phone, is a RGB light behind me. And you know what, I can get it, so I'm going to. This is the light itself, and you can see that when I take it away, it doesn't look as nice in the background. It just looks pretty gray. So if I just set that down, it just looks all gray in the background, and it's kind of lame because it's like a kind of grayish, whitish wall. And so this is an RGB light that you can change all of the colors for. I have it set to hue 239, and so it has a really great feature on it called HSI, and so it basically means that you can choose the hue that you want it at, so between 0 degrees and 360 degrees. And so you just change it, and if I just pull it all the way over there, you can see that the color is changing. Now it's a pink, now it's a yellow, and now it's a green and sort of blue. And I think I had it at 239, so I'll just put it back to where it was before. And it's a really versatile piece of equipment, I guess, and you can change the intensity, which means that you can change how bright it is, and then you can also change the saturation. And so you just click once on the button on the back, and then you can change the saturation all the way from 0 degrees all the way up to 100. And so that's at 0 degrees saturation, and then it goes all the way up to maximum. Another great thing about this light is that it can be powered with Sony NP-F 550 batteries, which look like this. And so they kind of have some pretty good battery life, and then they also just slot right onto 2 places on the back. And so if you have 2 of these laying around, you can just easily use them. So yeah, it's just like a really cool setup. And then it's on one of these mini little light stands. And so if I just unscrew this and pop this off the light stand, you can see it's kind of just a small little light stand, because there are full-size light stands that can go up to almost 7 feet, but this one is just super small, and It fits right into almost any bag, and it's just like this big. It's super small, and it only goes up to about, I think, 36 inches, and so that means that you can have it on the ground and you can have it in a really low position, and so this is the tallest it goes, and then there's a light up here that's all the way up there. This is the tallest this one goes. And so this one is just a super fun and really lightweight, and it's just very fun. So this light can be used in a whole variety of situations. It could be used as a kicker, or it could be used as a key light. They sell a softbox for it, but I'm just not sure how reliable that would be as a key light. It's better to have a bigger source, even if it's just a panel, a light panel behind a big sheet of diffusion. You want to have as big a light source as possible. Now, my pride and joy is this cart that I'm pointing to, but you can't see right now. It's like a charging cart, but it also can be used as sort of a utility cart for different stuff, to organize stuff, and it's just such an awesome way to organize stuff. It just makes me laugh how much I didn't realize that I'm like addicted to organization. It's just really fun. I don't know. So on the subject of audio, this room isn't really treated yet, but I need to kind of, I think I'm going to build like proper sound panels, but I have a blanket right behind me, and it's just really big moving blanket. It's just a very big source, and I don't know, it's gonna work for now, but I do need to probably get the materials for sound panels, and I'll make a whole video about that pretty soon. But then I'm also using the Rode VideoMic NTG on a boom pole up here. You can hear it. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? And that's on a boom pole, and it's just being boomed from the side, and getting the mic as close to your mouth as possible is one of the most essential things about making sure that you have clear audio. And I have the cameras right here, which I'm trying to look at, but then I have my iPad right here mirroring what's going on in the camera through the Imaging Edge mobile app on my iPad Pro right here. And I keep looking off to the side on that, but I really need to look there instead of there. But I'm gonna work on that. But it's a really great way to use it as an external monitor and kind of just be able to see everything that you're filming and everything, and making sure everything's in focus and all that, which is a great thing to do. So this is basically just all I wanted to do. I just wanted to show you how everything is going on, and fill you in on how everything is going with me, and just so you're in the know about what's going on in future videos. And so we'll be talking very soon, and there'll be some more videos about sound panels, everything. Just look out for those in some future videos, probably in the next week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and I'll have plenty of videos coming about all that stuff, and I'm really excited to see where all that goes, and I'm really excited to see where all of this goes. And I'm thinking I'm gonna change this to orange. Do you like that? No. Maybe green. Green. Okay, and we're back to blue. Anyway, that's been it. Press the subscribe button below if you're not already, and if you'd like to. Like this video if you liked it. Comment below if you have any questions for me, or if you just like to make your voice heard. Something we need now more than ever. And I'll see you in the next one. Now you're in the know, and I'm just gonna keep